Tamil Nadu and Kerala's governments have moved the Supreme Court against their governors for delaying the assent to bills cleared by the legislature. The Supreme Court questioned Tamil Nadu governor's delay in approving bills that have been pending since January of 2020. The court has also issued a notice to the Kerala governor. Ashmit joins us now to take us through the details. Ashmit, states moving the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court, of course, has expressed concerns about the manner in which governors have been holding back bills.
Indeed, in fact, at one point, the CJI, Justice Chandrachud, remarked at the Attorney General that if the various state governments would be required to move the Supreme Court every time they want the governors to be set in motion with respect to granting assent to the bills in question. Here's the context. Three governments had moved the apex court: Punjab, Kerala, as well as Tamil Nadu. So far as the Punjab government is concerned, that is the case in which the Supreme Court has given its judgment. That judgment came on November 10th, and in that judgment, the Supreme Court had prodded the Punjab governor towards taking decisions on these bills that have been vetted by the Assembly, but also importantly had noted that, look, as far as the governor's role is concerned, once the bill is sent back twice by the State Assembly, in that case, there is no room for discretion. The governor has to grant his assent. It is basis that judgment that today we had the Tamil Nadu government as well as the Kerala government arguing before the apex court. The Tamil Nadu government said that, look, we have 15 bills that are pending. The Kerala government said we have 8 bills that are pending. The Tamil Nadu councils went on to say that some of these bills have been sent back twice, that the governor decided to act only after the Supreme Court had given its judgment in the November 10th Punjab government case, and raised the larger question that if the governor can sit indefinitely on these bills. And these are some of the words that echoed with the Chief Justice himself. He asked the Attorney General if there are provisions in the Constitution that allow for the governor to not take a decision and sit simpliciter on a bill indefinitely. Also asking whether what has been the governor been doing with respect to these bills, especially since there are some bills pending as far back as 2020, January of 2020. And these are some questions that one understands the Centre, the Attorney General, the governors will have to come back with a response on. November 24th, which is later this week on Friday, the Kerala government application will be heard. And on November 29th, the Supreme Court has said that it will watch the conduct of the governor and resume hearing in the Tamil Nadu case on November 29th.
All right, Ashmit, appreciate you joining us. Now, the fate of